I tried to be a full-time YouTuber for 1 month. My name is Victor Bart and I have 3 YouTube channels. My main channel is Retro Machines and it is about old computers. My second channel is Dutch Video Shooter about cameras, lenses and filmmaking. And my third channel is Wheels and it is about trucks, unimogs and off-road. So please check out my 3 channels and please subscribe to them if you like them. So let me explain how I could do full-time YouTube for 1 month. I had some holiday days over from last year, so I took them at once and I had 33 days in a row of work. So I was thinking, let's try to make YouTube videos for 1 month and do daily uploads and see how that will work out. Since 2011 I upload to YouTube, so let's see what will happen if I do YouTube for 1 month full time. So first some stats for this month and I will read them off my script. I shot 24 videos for Retro Machines and 1 for Dutch Video Shooter. Almost all videos were shot and uploaded in 4K. I uploaded daily 13 videos in a row. 1 video went viral and that video has now 130,000 views and that is really insane for a video about a 486 computer, which is really a niche market on YouTube. This viral video gained me so much subscribers and they were the right subscribers for my channel, so really awesome. I also started to live stream and I did 8 live streams in this month. My English is not the best, so live streaming was a huge deal for me because you can't correct yours. So once you say something on the live stream, you can't correct yourself or edit it out. So that was a big step for me and I enjoy it. But the live streaming turned out to be so much fun. So if you've never done live streaming, really try it out. It's really the best way to interact with your subscribers and viewers. In the live stream you can show stuff, you can let them ask questions, you can tell stories, you can ask their opinions. Or show new stuff that you just got in for YouTube. It's really important that you interact with your viewers of your live stream, because then you can really build up a fan base and learn who your viewers are, and that is really great. I had 310,000 views this month and 185,000 came from my new uploaded videos. Over 1.1 million minutes watch time, 7,500 likes, 330 dislikes, 8,600 reactions, 1,200 shares and I gained 1,650 new subscribers. So I tripled all my stats on my YouTube channel, including the YouTube revenue in 1 month. So that is pretty impressive. I gained 4 new Patreons this month and I have now 12 people supporting me on Patreon. Patreon is a website where you can support creators monthly. You can start supporting me monthly on Patreon for $1 and there are rewards for the $5 and the $10 support. Like the Retro Machine Shareware Floppy, and that's a really nice award. So every help is welcome, so please check out my Patreon page. And from this month's Patreon money I bought RGB lights for in the studio, so I think my Patreon money is well spent. So now let's talk about daily videos. Shooting a video in 1 day is really hard. When you deal with old computers they don't always do what you want and that takes a lot of time. And you never have enough time in your day. So when you're also planning other things in your day, like meeting up with friends, you really run out of time for daily videos. So I ended up editing videos like 3, 4, 5, 6 AM in the morning and then render it out and starting to upload and then sleep. And the next day of course, shoot, edit, render, sleep and repeat. So after 13 daily videos in 1 row I needed a break. So I called a friend, she came over for a weekend and we went to a nice party to get my head off YouTube. I really have respect for the people that do daily properly edited videos in their life without having an editor. Would I do it again? Yes, I really love to be a full-time YouTuber someday. I really enjoyed this month. What would I change after this experience? To get it sustainable I will do less videos a week. 3 for Retro Machines, 1 for Dutch Video Shooter and 1 live stream a week. And do more content where I collaborate with other people, YouTubers or people from the retro community. I wrote down some tips for you to grow on YouTube. Pay attention to the titles, so it is really something where people are searching for. Then you will get a lot more views. Also get really good thumbnails so people will see where the video is about. Also put in good text under your video so people can actually find your videos. And with the good tags you can get much higher up in the ranking of videos. That was a goal for me this month, to get my videos with really good ranking. And I achieved that on almost all videos that I uploaded this month. For more info about YouTube and optimization, check out Brian G. Johnson, his great YouTube channel. So now back to my daily job as a truck driver and keep making videos on YouTube. So how can you help me grow and support me here on YouTube? Of course, please subscribe to me on Retro Machines, Dutch Video Shooter and Wheels. You can leave a like on my videos and share it with friends, and of course leave a comment on the videos. I really love to read them. And for the retro computer fans, you can join Retro Machines on Facebook. And you can join my new group, 3DFX Voodoo User Group on Facebook. So let's make a big retro community together. And if you want to support me as a creator each month with a little bit of money, please check out my Patreon page, or you can use the super chat function in live streams. Let's keep working on my dream to be a full-time YouTuber. Thanks for watching, and also thanks for all the support that I get from you. It's really appreciated. And of course you can find all the links down in the description.